In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Western Union to GCash step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. To send money to a GCash wallet using Western Union, you can either visit their website, use the mobile app, or go in person to a Western Union agent location. Before starting a transfer, you'll need to register for a Western Union account. To do this, open the menu and select the option to register. You'll then provide an email address along with a password to create the account. Once registration is complete, you'll be redirected to the main page of your account. From there, open the menu again and select the option to send money. This section is where you will enter most of the transfer details. First, choose the country you are sending money to. In this case, select the Philippines. Next, enter the amount you want to send. The amount can be entered in your local currency, and once you do that, the system will automatically show how much the receiver will get in Philippine pesos. After entering the amount, you will need to choose how the receiver will get the money. Select the option for a mobile wallet, and then choose GCash from the list of available wallets. The next step is selecting how you want to pay for the transaction. Western Union offers several payment options, including credit card, debit card, instant bank transfer, Google Pay, and manual bank transfer. After selecting your payment method, continue and accept any fraud warning if prompted. Add the receiver's full name and GCash number, making sure to remove the leading zero if sending internationally. Choose the purpose of the transfer and complete any required identity verification. Review all details carefully, then confirm the transaction. If you selected bank transfer, send the payment using the provided details and reference. Finally, save the MTCN tracking number to monitor your transfer status. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.